There are no ways of knowing that I know of. I can only tell you how to get an approximation of those amounts, all right? And here's why. All of the software that we use, so you know that my preferred software of choice is Merchant Words. Merchant Words being my number one software of choice for Amazon here in Australia. I think it gives you the most accurate data, but what it gives you is accurate search volume, gives you actual search volume, okay? What it doesn't give you is actual sales volume. They're very, very different things. Very, very different things. So it doesn't give you that. In actuality, Amazon in Australia doesn't make that information at all available. The question that it was in Amazon.com, so Amazon in America, in fact, in any number of marketplaces that have got Amazon PPC, then you can get accurate data about product sales by running PPC campaigns, and that will give you accurate search data. But outside of that, Amazon doesn't release that information, and it doesn't make sense for them to give that information out either. When you think about it, there's no benefit to them of doing that. There's no benefit to them of doing that. It's all bad for them to do that. No good. Good for us, bad for them. They ain't going to do that. So, Ross, that is a shit-ass answer to your question. I get that. However, what we do is this. We have to make our own guesstimations about potential sales. And we know that for any given search, for any given 100 searches on any given product, let's just go back into here. So for any number of, for every 100 searches who do that, according to Amazon, we know that when somebody clicks through from a search, clicks through onto the product detail page, then according to Amazon, between 10 and 15% of them, on average, will then add that to cart and shop. 10 to 15% of them. So that gives you a little bit of data. You can then work that data backwards from the search volume on Merchant Words to get at least a guesstimation, an educated guesstimation of potential sales volume. And that's going to be your best shot at getting something. But it ain't accurate. It ain't accurate. So again, you know, I'm always loath to kind of use that. But that's as good as we can get, buddy. That's as good as we can get, Ross.
Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.